everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to delete a Ring device from the Ring app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Ring app on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When the app opens, you will see all your Ring devices on the home screen. Find the device you want to delete, such as Ring doorbell or Ring camera, and tap on it. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the gear icon to open device settings. Now tap General Settings. This is where you manage basic options for your Ring device. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see Remove the device or delete device. Tap on it. The Ring app will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Remove device or delete again to confirm. Once confirmed, the device will be removed from your Ring account and will no longer appear in the app. And that's it. You have successfully deleted a Ring device using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.